Use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
It's 14.8, and the two on the bottom is go up to 15.6. I can turn it on here.
Who made the bracket for this?
It's Bob Hyde, Notorious Bull.
Wow. And what voltage you said?
These two at the bottom charge at 15.6.
Okay.
And the one that stock is 14.8.
Nice. Can I see the lithium bank?
Oh yeah, go ahead. Turn it on.
Wow, that's nice. How many total watts is in this between your 4-channel, 2 bass amps, everything? If you say a total wattage, I don't know if you know that.
Cramped would be. I have to get a calculator out. 108,000 just on subwoofers. 108,500.
Holy crap! Wow. Who made the amp rack style?
Bob Hyde.
Wow. That's unique. Man. Steel frame. Is this steel frame welded as well, the back panel?
That
of
is
the box?
The back of the box slides so we can finish dialing in. And it's 8 layers of 3/4 inch bricks.
Okay. Got it. How many cubes per sub or total?
It is total.
Yeah.
It's at 22 right now. 22 cubes on the 912s. You can stick your head in the box to see the bracing and everything.
Yeah. Okay.
The Neo motor.
Nice.
And that's why there's tape on the seams.
Mm-hmm.
Because it's not finalized.
Got it. Did you actually have a metal bracket plates made for these subs, the way they're held on?
Yeah, it locks the surrounds in.
Wow.
So they don't tear.
Oh, man, that's
Because these are all studs. They actually come out because the baffle, if you knock on it,
yeah, it's
half-inch plate steel.
Wow. That's wild. Have you ever done any 45 testing in the box yet to see your SPL difference?
No, we're still dialing in exactly what subs are liking for my frequencies. And then
Okay.
I also over here, I have an SPL port.
Okay. Really? Oh, got it. Okay.
Yeah,
So you can add that in there. That's pretty smart.
Goes like that.
Got it. Okay. Wow.
So this was built, Scotty Bowman. His little emblem on the top came off yesterday. It goes right here.
Mm-hmm.
I wanna give demos as well.
Wow.
I know what I did. I just put it around my neck.
Jeez, you can take that all the way up front.
Yeah, so because I usually gotta watch the subs. So
Yes, sir.
take it all the way.
That's pretty sweet.
Yeah.
Thanks
But
for showing.
it's good for competing. You gotta, base boxing.
Yeah.
everything. Base race.
Yes, sir. Wow. Could you tell?
I'll give you a demo. Both doors open and a lot of this is closed up.
Can you give me info first?
Okay, yeah.
So, what is your name and what's in here, man?
All right, so I'm Anthony Gordon. 91 Dodge Caravan, all steel, stock cabin
You built this?
We call him Yoda, Notorious Boom. He's
Okay.
5 high. He did all steel fabrication. This is all steel.
Yeah, I was gonna say this thing still looks solid. What are these subs rated at?
Well, they say 5,000 RMS, but
Wow. Okay.
you know the Neo 4.12s.
Yeah.
You can go online and get the 4.7s, 4.9s, and 4.11s.
Yeah.
But the 12s are for team members.
Wow. What is the SPL score on it?
Conservative 63 right now.
Wow.
Plus,
That's pretty
the
good.
back wall, none of this is dialed in yet. The back wall is movable, so I can dial in the
Okay.
boxes.
So do you want me to shut this door, come in, or sit out, or what?
However you want to do it, it's louder with the door shut.
Okay.
If you want like a slight demo with the door open and then the demo door shut, we can do both.
Can I put the window down?
Only thing I'm worried about is when you roll the window on, the Neo speakers might hit the glass.
So let's just keep it like this.
Alright.
Yeah.
But if you want to give her a hair trick, we can do both doors open.
Okay. Yeah, that would be great. Let me do a hair trick. Hair trick would be good.
Okay. So you can do both. I'll give it to you and
Okay.
then open.
Okay. Yeah. Nice.
I'm on my chest, got me busting at you in the lane. Yeah, you fucking with a street nigga. From the gutter, pimp, pipe, slap, drug dealer. Told him I ain't shit.
He's gonna hair trick right here. I'm just gonna be in the middle.
Okay.
That's okay.
It's just gonna be quick because I just checked my temperature sensor.
Uh-oh. Okay. Wow, that's awesome. It's like my whole body is just vibrating.
Yeah,
The
I hope
pressure.
so. Yeah, I appreciate that, man.
Thank
I
you very
appreciate
much.
it. Yeah,
That's awesome, man. And it's musical. I'm surprised you actually could
Yeah.
demo with both doors open.
Yeah, so we built it for bass box. I asked it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Thank you very much.
No, thank you, man.
Yep.